Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. In today's video we're gonna take a look at an Xbox One controller. In fact, we're gonna see how to open it. Before doing so, I would just like to thank all of you for helping me reaching 100 subscribers. More information about the giveaway are coming soon. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave a link in the description below to the giveaway video announcement, and I hope that you will enjoy it. But for the moment, I'm gonna show you how to take this one apart. So in order to do so, first thing that you need to do is you need to remove those two plastic cover, one here and one here, and this is what will allow us to access the screws. In order to do so, I'm using a plastic tool opener. You can also do it with a screwdriver, but as I have what I need here to do so without risking to damage anything, I will do it like this. But as I say, plastic on these Xbox One controller are more resistant than those on the PS4, so there is less chance that you broke it if you go with a metal tool, for example. But I still suggest going with plastic just to be sure. So how I'm doing it is there is 4 clips on this side. These are the easiest to unclips, so I'm using the opening tool. I will slide it here just between, and I'm gonna unclips the four clips. Okay, can be a bit difficult. Yeah, definitely. Okay, I think I got one. Here we go, and here we go. That's it. We have the 4 clips on this side removed. I'm still gonna wiggle a bit just to try to remove other clips because there is 7 in total. And once this is done, I'm just taking my hands, grabbing, I think I clips one back. I'm gonna unclip it. Okay, I'm just taking my hands and I'm removing the panel just like this. And as you can see, all the clips looks pretty nice inside. Oops, sorry. All the clips are still looking pretty nice. This were the 4 clips I was telling you lately. And there is 3 other clips at the bottom of on the other side of the panel. So we're gonna do the same thing with the one on the other side. So let's go. Here we go. This is going pretty well. I didn't even have to pull on it. So this is done. We're gonna put it aside. Now that we do it, we can put the plastic opener aside. And what we will need is our security Torx 8 screwdriver. But before, I'm just gonna remove the back battery cover. We will need to remove it in order to open the controller. So here is the the security Torx 8 screwdriver. If you need to buy one, I will leave a link to the toolkits I'm using to do my repair. I think it's pretty useful to have more than only when you buy something. I think it's preferable to buy it in a lot. So if you need to do some other repair, like on Nintendo or PlayStation controller, you will still be able to do it, and you won't need to buy other screwdriver. So now what I'm doing, I'm removing the screw that were underneath the panel. Basically, we will have a total of 5 screws to remove. There is basically one ear that I just removed, one ear. There's going to be another one here, another one here, and there is going to be one underneath the label. As you can see, this one has already been opened. I won't lie to you, I practiced a bit before doing the video. I think that in order to do some quality video, it's better to try it a little bit before to do it. So This should not take long, and we will have all the screw removed, and I will be ready to show you the rest of the procedure to open your controller. So the last one is gonna be removed. Yeah, and I'm usually letting the this last screw in here. Usually I just puncture the sticker with the screwdriver. I think it's the easiest way to do it, and once you remove all the screw, it should all be taken apart really easily, just like this. Now I'm gonna change the joystick I want to do right now. It's gonna be done. Here we go. This is as simple as that. Now we can take a look at the back of the controller. We can also remove this plate once it's done. And if you want to work inside of the controller, basically you're gonna need another type of screwdriver. This is why it might be a good idea to buy a lot of them instead of buying them individually. You might save a bit of money on the long term. And as you can see, there is two motherboard panel that are clips in. We're not gonna disassemble it fully. I just wanted to show you how to open your controller in this video to keep it simple. If you want to do simple repair, like I don't know, with the trigger, the rumble motors, or let's say the joysticks, this is basically the video that you needed. I will do other video on more complex repair where we'll see how to tear that all apart, but I'm just telling you that if you want to go further, now you need another type of screwdriver, which is the security, but well, in fact it's not the security one, it's just the Torx 6 screwdriver. It's also in the kit I told you lately, and there is basically a bunch of screw a bit everywhere that you need to remove. You need to unclip, because there is two motherboard. This one is clips in the other motherboard, so you need to unclip it. You need to detach the wire. Usually it might be a good idea to desolder the rumble motors. So as I have no more repair to do on this controller, I will just reassemble it, sell it, and make my profit on this one. So to reassemble your controller, it's pretty simple. There is one thing that you need to be careful of, the battery connector just there. You need to be cautious when you put back the back of the controller, just in order to avoid to damage them. So what I'm doing, usually I'm starting by lining it up with the battery connectors, making sure they're well in, and usually it's kind of difficult a little bit to pass them the trigger, so I press them in just like that, and usually I'm able to push the controller in just like this. And now the back of the controller is back in place. I'm just flipping it over, putting the front of the controller in place. Now we have two nice thumbsticks in place, and this controller will look really nice, and it will be perfect for reselling. So I'm taking back. Well, I can already screw back the screw in the middle, just like that. It's gonna be done. Okay, so now that the screw are back in place, we will put back all the panel. This is just clips in, so it should be pretty easy. Here we go for the right panel. I just start by putting it in like this, by starting by the exterior side, and then I'm gonna clips it in like that. You see, it's really back in place. It doesn't even look like we removed it. We will do the same thing for the other one. Just putting it like that, and now we just need to clip it back. Here we go. Now our controller is back fully assembly with some nice thumbstick, and it's ready to sell. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and have a nice day.